Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will help you to understand the danger of the extension called Storage Manager. This is the extension, the unwanted extension that is currently spread through various misleading and deceptive pop-ups that try to make people install such suspicious extensions. This extension called Storage Manager is advertised as some tool that allows users to quickly and easily clear the storage of a web page. But this extension actually operates as adware. If it gets installed, it starts to display the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. We recommend you to be very careful and not to install this extension. If it was mistakenly installed, get rid of it by accessing the menu, More Tools, Extensions, then disable and remove this unwanted extension. Finally, I recommend that you investigate your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com and download it, install it, and start investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.